Dry docking is a term used for repairs, or when a ship is taken to the service yard. The snapshot provides fundamental knowledge on dry docking working and operations. By the end of this snapshot, you will be able to grasp the idea of what dry docking is about, understand the importance of dry docking, learn the types of dry docking, learn the dry docking process, and watch how ships are dry docked. Learn at your pace, anytime and anywhere. Is 3 months' time enough to undertake the course? Watch the course presentations at any time and anywhere, at work, at your home. Stop and take as many breaks as you want. Ask questions in the forum. Check your knowledge with the self-assessment questions. Network. Learn from the experts. Are you done? Print out your certification. The course administrator will assist you throughout the course. You will find more information about our courses on the WMA site. Get in touch and let us know how can we be of help, at support@e-wma.com.